A few of my students have been asking me what's the difference between por ti and para ti. Here we have two prepositions, the preposition por and the preposition para. The confusion arises because in English both are usually translated as for, okay? For. However, in Spanish they are not interchangeable, right? So in some cases we have to use por, in other cases we have to use para, okay? In English it's simplified because we use for in all the scenarios, okay? So when do we use para ti or por ti? Para ti, we usually use it in for you, when something is made to give to somebody, okay? Por ti would be like because of you, in your name, in your memory, or because it's important for you, okay? Because something is important for you or for whoever it is, okay? Because it can be por ti or por mí or por él or por ellas or whichever person we want, okay? For example, I can say esto es para ti, this is for you. Esto es para ti. This is something that I'm handing over to another person and I'm saying this is for you, para ti, okay? Now, I will say hice esto por ti. I did this for you, okay? But it's with a different meaning. It's like if I did something in somebody else's name, okay? Or because I know that it's important for that person, then I did it in his name. I did it for him or for her. Lo hice por ti. I did it for you or because of you. So let's see. If I say hice esto por ti, okay? Hice esto por ti. Literally, I did this for you, okay? If I use the preposition por, I'm implying that I did this because I knew that it's important for you, or I did it in your name, I did it thinking of you, okay? Lo hice por ti. However, if I say hice esto para ti, hice esto para ti, with the preposition para, I'm implying that this, I will give it to you, okay? I'm handing something over, right? So para implies something that will be for another person. Por means in the name or because of another person.